Verify the outer packaging is intact before unboxing. Carefully cut the taped sections with a knife. Take out the accessory box and document pouch from the top. Remove the inner packaging materials. Rotate the measuring rod 90 until perpendicular to the wing, pan, and extract the main unit. Peel off the protective film and foam. Open the PE bag and check the certificate of compliance, quick start guide, and packing list. Open the accessory box and inspect the parts, including M8 Allen wrench, M3 Allen wrench, hex socket screw M840, hex socket screw M3, 8, thermal paper power cord, power adapter, -230 to repeat serial cable. Take out the M3 Allen wrench and hex socket screw M3, 8. Rotate the sensor housing 90. Then tighten the M3, 8 screw top to bottom with the M3 Allen wrench. Gently lay the scale on its side in an impact-safe area. Take out the hex socket screw M840 and M8 Allen wrench. From the underside, tighten for M840 screws upward with the M8 Allen wrench. Stand the scale upright. Step onto the scale. Hold both sides of the upper rod and lift until fully extended. Twist and tighten the telescopic knobs on both sides. Take out the power adapter and power cord. Connect the power cord to the main unit's power port securely. Plug the other end into a separate power outlet. With nothing on the scale, press the power button on the back to turn it on. Wait a few seconds for initialization to complete. Do not touch the platform during this process. If any questions, please contact the after-sales service center at service@YeoMedical.com.